So we're gonna do a little appetizer that screams summer and super easy, super light, and a little savory at the same time. First thing we need to do is get our prosciutto crispy. So I'm doing it in the air fryer. This is just 4 slices because we're gonna crumble it up. I have some store-bought pizza dough, and I'm gonna infuse it with parmesan and parsley and garlic, and I'm gonna make little flatbread bites. So take your bread, your dough, you're just gonna pull it apart, slap it right in. Now we're gonna start assembling. I'm gonna use peppered arugula, 1 lemon, juiced and zested, and a 1/4 red onion, small dice. Gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil in, a little bit of salt and pepper. We're gonna put a little bit of salad on your pizza dough, a peach, and we're gonna do some burrata. Now the burrata, I'm just gonna rip, nice little piece. You wanna get that creaminess. Actually, I'm gonna put that first, then my peach on top, garnishing it with a little bit of crispy prosciutto. And then what you do is you just take the pizza bite with that burrata, the crispy prosciutto, the sweet peach, and you go for it.